how you can update your health card after obtaining your PR status. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important point. The process varies by province or territory, but generally you will need to provide proof of your new permanent resident status to your provincial or territorial health authority. Typically, you will need your confirmation of permanent residence or permanent resident card. Be sure to have the original documents or certified copies as required. Some provinces may require to fill out specific forms to update your health card information. These forms are usually available on your provincial health authority website. Depending on your province, you may submit your documents in person, by mail, or online. For example, in Ontario, you can visit with the ServiceOntario Center with your documents. In British Columbia, you can submit them online using the MSP account changing request form. After processing, your provincial health authority will issue a new health card reflecting your PR status. Processing times vary, so it's best to update your information promptly to avoid any gaps in coverage. By following these steps and providing the required documentation, you can ensure your health card reflects your new permanent resident status, keeping your access to healthcare services in Canada seamless. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.